Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we empower you to unleash your potential and achieve extraordinary success. I am Dr. Marlene Owen, certified manifestation coach. Why should you care? Because life is too short to not want to manifest the greatest version of you. My friends, in today's video, we will be diving deep into the realm of mindset transformation. So get ready to supercharge your mindset for the unparalleled success with our 5-step guide. Let's jump right in. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our empowering content. Our mission is to help you unlock your full potential and become the best version of yourself. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to unleash your potential by supercharging your mindset for success. Step 1. Set clear goals and create a vision. My friends, the first step towards transforming your mindset for success is setting clear goals and creating a compelling vision. Because when you have a crystal clear idea of what you want to achieve, your mind becomes focused and aligned with your desires. Take some time to reflect on your aspirations and write down your goals. Be specific, measurable, and time-bound. My friends, alongside your goals, create a vivid vision board or mental picture that represents your desired future, because this visualization technique will help program your mind for success and keep you motivated on your journey. Step 2. Cultivate a positive mindset. Folks, a positive mindset is the key to unlocking your potential. It enables you to overcome challenges, embrace opportunities, and maintain resilience during setbacks. Start by becoming aware of your thoughts and challenging any negative or self-limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Replace them with positive affirmations and empowering thoughts. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's reading inspirational books, listening to uplifting podcasts, or connecting with like-minded individuals who support your growth. Step 3. Embrace growth and learn from failure. In this step, my friends, success is not a straight line. It is a journey filled with ups and downs. So embracing growth and learning from failure is crucial to supercharging your mindset. Instead of viewing failure as a setback, reframe it as an opportunity for growth. Adopt a growth mindset, understanding that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Take risks, step out of your comfort zone, and view each failure as a valuable lesson that brings you closer to success. Step 4. Develop resilience and perseverance. Building resilience and perseverance is essential for maintaining a strong mindset, because challenges and obstacles are inevitable, but how you respond to them determines your success. How do you cultivate resilience? You do so by practicing self-care, managing stress effectively, and developing coping mechanisms for difficult situations. You also should surround yourself with a support system of friends, mentors, or coaches who can uplift you during challenging times. My friends, remember, setbacks are temporary, and with perseverance, you can overcome any obstacles in your path. Step 5. Take consistent action. This final step to supercharging your mindset for success is taking consistent action. Because without action, even the powerful mindset is futile. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps and create a plan of action. Stay committed to your vision and take daily steps towards your goals. Celebrate your progress along the way and remain adaptable just as you grow. And remember, success is a result of consistent effort and dedication. And there you have it, my friends, our 5-step guide to supercharging your mindset for success. By following these steps, you can unlock your full potential and achieve extraordinary results in all areas of your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're hungry for more empowering content, make sure to check out our other videos on personal growth and success. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, you have the power within you to unleash your potential and create the life you truly desire. Stay motivated, stay positive, and keep growing. Until next time, my friends, take care and keep striving for greatness. Love and light. Bye.